Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. As promised, here I am with a new video for you. Today, I will show you some interesting websites that will make you really surprised. Please stay with us till the end of this video so you can enjoy all of them. Before I show you, request you to kindly subscribe our channel if you still have not done, as your subscription is my inspiration. Many thanks to them who already have subscribed. Let's move on with today's topic. Guys, did you know? There are many websites which aren't so popular but yet are masters in their own ways. Thinking along the same lines, today we have assembled a list of 5 amazing websites which are not only super cool but equally very interesting. Let's see them one by one. In number 1, I will show you one of a website called Internet Map. Internet Map is an impressive visualization of 350,000 websites and is a bi-dimensional presentation of links between websites on the internet. You just have to open URL http://internet-map.net on your browser and that's all. You will get the information about all websites. Here every site is a circle on the map, and its size is determined by website traffic. That means, the larger the amount of traffic, the bigger the circle is. Let's see some of the circle to understand what does these circle means. Look at this biggest circle. It represents to Google. Since Google has highest traffic and popularity in the world, hence the circle is biggest. Second biggest circle represents to Facebook according to the worldwide traffic and popularity. Likewise, third number goes to YouTube. Distance between circles is determined by people who get to one site from another. Fourth and fifth represents to yahoo.com and wikipedia.org. You can also type in the name of a website and simply be taken to it. This is really very fun tool to see how their websites stack up against others. Number 2 is pointer-to-pointer website. What it does is, you locate your cursor anywhere inside the website and you find a picture with people pointing towards that location on the screen. Don't you believe it? Just type URL https://pointerpointer.com/ on your browser and see the magic. The site simply requires you to move your cursor to a point on your computer screen. Once your cursor is still, a photo of a person pointing at your pointer appears. Move your cursor, and up it pops another photo of a person pointing at your pointer. Slide your cursor to another location on the screen, and, well, you get it. Best part is we've been playing with it for a while now, and have never seen the same picture twice. Is not it one of an amazing website? What do you think? Just comment down below. Number 3 is Ancient Earth Globe website. Guys, if you are curious about what Earth looked like millions of years ago, this website can help. I will give you the link into the description of this video. Just open it from your browser and you can see what the Earth looked like millions of years ago. From the pull down at the top of the screen you can choose the age. The age can be selected from 750 million years ago to 0 million, which is current time. In the pull down menu on the right side of the screen, you can choose times with keywords such as when multicellular organisms first appeared or when terrestrial plants appeared, Jurassic. Also, the selected age is displayed in the lower left of the screen, and the characteristics of that age are explained. Number 4 is Flightradar24. Flightradar24 is a Swedish internet-based service that shows real-time commercial aircraft flight tracking information on a map. If you select any of a flight from the website, it will show you all the information related to the flight you selected. It includes flight tracking information, origins and destinations, flight numbers, aircraft types, positions, altitudes, headings and speeds. You can search for any country that you want to see the flights located in it. Guys, I found this website really very interesting. Please comment down below what do you think? Fifth and final one is Strobe Illusion website. Believe me, this mind-melting optical illusion will warp and distort your vision. Go to the website https://strobe.cool/ and look at the center for 30 seconds. Don't distract, look at the center of the screen. If you are using mobile, maybe you can make it full screen. Are you ready? Let's start. Oh no. Don't distract. Look at the center of screen for 30 seconds. Now look away and move your eyes out of the screen. Tell me how you are feeling now. How objects are appearing. So that's all I have for you today. I will give you each website URL into the description so you can check them out from your end. Hope you enjoyed this video. Out of 5 websites, last one I personally liked the most. Let me know in comment box which one you liked. Before I leave, request you to please subscribe my channel so I can remain connected with you. Soon I will come up with a new video for you. Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Goodbye.